After you ordered, you enjoy first. After the food now is prepared, so I will cut the chicken, kill the chicken, clean the chicken, and cook the chicken.
Right.
And that's it.
How about the dog?
No, don't eat dogs. So that's it. So
there's a chicken alive right now that's not going to be alive when we get back.
Yeah, so we will kill the chicken and then cook the chicken. So hi, welcome to Aguinid waterfall. So we do the trek here. We have 8 levels to do the thing. So from here, maybe 3 minutes to walk, you reach the level 1. So level 1 is pool, you just swim. Level 2, you do climb against the water. Level 3 is do the shower and massage water. Level 4 is jumping. Level 5, this is the top of the level 5. Then going to level 6, 7, and 8, and the exit point.
Okay.
It takes 2 hours to do the thing, total of up and down.
Yeah.
But if you want to prepare as a food, we have chicken native, Bisayang manok, and it's fresh. It's still alive. So if you want to prepare as a food, you ordered first.
It's still alive.
Yeah, and after you ordered, you enjoy first. After the food now is prepared, so I will cut the chicken, kill the chicken, clean the chicken, and cook the chicken.
Right.
And that's it.
So while we're waiting on our tour, on our waterfall tour, and it's going to be two and a half hours before we get back, and then we'll have our food. It's going to be about
Show Mika eating a coconut.
Yeah, I am. About 2:30. So we're just fueling up on coconut. We just drank the juice, and then the guy broke it open for us. And now, how's the coconut, Mick?
So delicious.
So delicious, yeah. It's pretty good.
I think a video of you.
That's really good. Sweeter this time. Very nice. Okay. Cool.
How much is the waterproof backpack?
Ay, oo, kusugin. Grabe kusog.
Amazing, babe.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. Yeah.
Is the water is white, you know, because of the snowstorm?
Yeah. How was that? What did you think of that, babe? Huh? What did you think of that?
That was intense.
Intense?
The time when we were here,
Yeah.
there was a rope. You can really hold it.
Oh, really?
Now this is really wow. What is it?
It's a good thing that it was, you know, the grip is so good on the rock.
Yeah.
They walk the way in the
It's level 3, right?
Yeah.
They look like stalactites or stalagmites or whatever you call them, but they're actually branches. They're branches hanging over, and the calcification is gone over the top of them.
Ambil nabe. Sige. Go. Are you alive? Say hi.
Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl.
Oh my goodness.
She looks worried.
No, it's because I'm heavy and then the water is just rushing.
Yeah. Awesome, isn't it? Big guy. I don't think we're going up that. Not with her.
But if you're not gonna go up, we're gonna go back to that place.
Yeah.
So if we're gonna keep going, we're gonna go to a different road.
She's not going to want to go up there. Not after this. So this big guy there is stuck. So our tour guide had to run ahead and help the other two guys. He's in trouble. Boy, he's big. Goodness me.
There are no people there.
How you feeling, Mick? Good?
That?
She's much faster. She's a strong girl. Whoa. Langoy ako.